Today we have the general knowledge topics because the questions were only two, so I'm combining two topics together, and you can see them on the screen. That first topic is good manners, and the second topic is of the human body. So the question number one is that how to practice good manners. Give examples. We have done these questions before, just to revising of the topics. I'm repeating them. That's it. So students, just repeat after me that number one is caring. Sharing is caring. Repeat after me. Sharing is caring. Number two, greeting with each other. It means that whenever you see anybody coming inside the home, going out, do say greetings like Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz, and so on, right? So greetings include these. Okay, and number three is be kind. Repeat after me is be kind. Number four, play fairly. Number four, repeat after me, play fairly. Number fifth is play with everyone. Play with everyone. Number six, help others. Help others. Now, number one is sharing is caring. You can use this, you can practice this in your daily life as well. Like whatever the stuff you have, whatever the toy you have, you should share them with your elder siblings or with your younger siblings. Fine. Okay, greeting with each other. Whenever you see somebody new, do say salam to them. Of good morning, good night, or words like this which are used for greeting each other, you have to say these in this topic. Okay, be kind with others. What do we do this in? We have to be very soft and polite with everybody. We do not have to be harsh, or we do not have to beat anybody. You have to be very polite and kind with everyone. Fine. With your parents as well, you have to be kind. If they ask you to stop. If they are asking you to stop something, to stop you from something, do not do that thing. So in this way, you have to be kind with them. Do not argue with them. Fine. Okay, play fairly. Play with justice. Fine. And play fairly means you have to be very justifying with everybody. You do not have to misbehave with anybody, or just play fairly. Fine. Okay, play with everyone. Do not choose your favorite friends. Play with everyone. Do not be very selective. Try to make new friends and be polite, kind, and very honest with everyone. Fine. So in this way, you will not make a grow up. In this way, you can make new friends and you will meet new people. Help others. In helping others, you can help in doing somebody in working. You can help them. You can help your parents. You can help your mama in daily life work, in daily schedule work. Okay, now let's move to question number two, that what are the magic words? Okay, we have repeated this many times, that what are the 5 magic words? Repeat after me. Thank you, welcome, please, excuse me, sorry. Count them again on your finger. Number 1 is thank you. Number 2 is welcome. Number 3, please. Number 4, excuse me. Number 5, sorry. So these are the magic words. These are the magic words. Now let's move to the second topic, that is the human body. So the question number 1 is name different parts of the body. Now you can use any parts of the. You can name any parts of the body. Fine. It's not necessary that you have to repeat only these. You can use any other. Fine. So number 1 is head. Show me your head. Then put your fingers on the ears. Head, ear, mouth, nose, eyes, chin, shoulder, hand, arms, finger, leg, toes, foot. You can use any 5 of them. You should remember 5 of them, but I know you know all of them. But if for the video purpose, you can name them any 5, fine, and try to name them, show them in the video that this is your head, this is your nose, or do put the finger, whatever the name part you're using. Okay, so the question number 2 is, what are the functions of these parts of the body? So the number 1 is eye. What is the function of eye? Repeat the answer after me, that I use to see. I use to see. Number 2, nose. What is the purpose or what is the function of the nose? I used to smell. I used to smell. And number 3 is ear. I used to hear. What do we do with our ear? I used to hear. Okay, number 4 is tongue. So what do we do with our tongue? I used to taste. I used to taste. Number 5 is hand. What do we do with our hand? We are touching. So with the hand, I used to touch. With hands, I used to touch. So revise all these functions and repeat them in the video. Fine. From the maths countdown, we have page number 15 today. Fine, I have drawn the lines at the top. So what is the date today? Today is 26th. So I will write the date at the top first. In the same way you even have to do. Fine. So yes, now I will write the date. 26th August, right? And 2020. In the same way, the middle you will write CW, and then you have to write the day. Today is Wednesday. Okay, now what we have to do in this page? Okay, question number 1 is, this is question number 1, fine. So question number 1 is, circle the bigger number. 1 has been done for you. So you have to compare the numbers and then you have to circle the bigger one. Like 1 they have done for you. Like this is 1 dice. This is first dice, 1 dice, fine, and these are 3. So which number is the bigger one? 1 or 3? 3 is the big one, so they have circled the 3. Right? Now let's move to part B. 4, 2. 4, 2. These are 4 balls and these are 2 balls. So which number is the bigger number? 2 or 4? 4 is the bigger number, so circle 4. Okay, now let's move to part number C. Again, this is 2 and this is 1. These are 2 and this is 1. So which number is the bigger one? 2 or 1? 2 is the bigger number, so circle 2. Okay, part number D. These are 5 candies and these are 3 candies. So which number is the bigger one? 3 or 5? 5 is the bigger number. Okay, now let's move to question number 2, and they ask that, now look at these numbers, circle the smaller number. 1 has been done for you. In this question we have circled the bigger one, and in this question we have to do the smaller number. Fine. So part number A has been done for you. 8 or 4, which was the smaller one? 4 was the smaller one, so they have circled the smaller number. Part B. 4 or 7, which number is the smaller one? 4 is the smaller one. Okay, 3 or 4? Which number is the smaller one? 3 is the smaller one. Part number D, 1 or 5? Which number is the smaller one? 1 is the smaller one. 2 or 3? 2 is the smaller one. 9 or 3? Which number is the smaller one? 9 or 3? 3 is the smaller one. Again, the last part, right? Yes, the last part is G. Which 4 or 2? Which number is the smaller one? 2 is the smaller one. So this is the workbook work. This is the maths book work. Yes. So do it and show me in the group. Okay, students, from the workbook we will just discuss the topic of what comes before today. Fine. Like you can see, there are two columns, and every column has some numbers. So we have to write the numbers in the empty boxes. Now which number, like you have to see this number and you have to guess that what was the number before it. Fine. Like counting starts from 1, 2, 3. So this is number 3. So what was the number which comes before number 3? It comes 2. 2 comes before 3, right? 2 and then 3. So now let's move to 15. Okay, which number comes before 15? 14. Yes, 14 comes before 15. Okay, 20. Which number comes before 20? Number 19. 45. Which number comes before 45? Think. Yes, 44. Now 40 is the number which comes before 40? 39. Okay, now let's move to next column. 60. Which comes before? Which number comes before 60? 59. And what about 100? What comes before 100? 99. 76. 75. 32. 31. 44. 43. So this is the work of the workbook today. Do it and show in the group. Okay, students, so in the maths written work, what we have to do is, the date is 26th August 2020 today, right? 26th August 2020. CW, and the day is Wednesday. The day is Wednesday, right? Okay, today we have also 3 topics to cover. So what we will do is, we have to give the heading first, addition sums, which I have already given, right? And then you can see that I have written 2 sums. In this way you have to write the 2 sums of addition, and the difference is that we have double-sided today, right? We have done only one side before, so today we have to do the 10 side as well. How we will do? We will see the top numbers first. Fine? Top numbers. Like this is 4. This is number 4. So just draw 4 dots. Fine? And then you have to draw 2 more dots, because 2 is written downwards. Now at the end, what we have to do, we have to calculate, or we have to count all these dots together. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Well, first you have to do the one side, unit side, this side. You have to solve this side first, and then you have to move on unit side. Okay, so this is number 3. Let's put 3 dots. This is number 1, so let's put number 1 dot here. Now how many are they? Total 1 2 3, and this is 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now let's move to second part. Again, unit side first, O side first, then 10 side. Okay, so 5 is the first number. Let's draw 5 dots, and then 4 is the next number, so draw 4 dots more. Now count them all together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. Now let's move to 4, 10 sides. So 1 2 3 4. This is 3. 1 2 3. Now count them all together. 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. So this is the addition part, right? Now let's move to second topic, that is bigger number. We have done this already in the countdown work, so let's do it in the copy as well. So bigger number, you have 3 numbers written, 15 20 and 18. You have to choose the bigger one. Which one is the biggest one? 15 20 18. Which one is the bigger one? 20th is the bigger one, so you have to circle the number. You can also color it. If you want to use the color to circle it, you can use the color as well. Okay, now the third question, smaller number. Again, you have 3 options, and now you have to select, you have to circle the smaller number. So 75 80 63. 75 80 63. Which one is the smallest number? It's 63. So circle it. If you want to use the color for it, you can also use the color. So this is the work of today. You can see the full view of it. Fine. Now do it and show me in the group. Fine.